To open this up, Dr. Ajay Alok, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Ratan Sharda ji, Professor Anwar Pasha, the national spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, Nikhil Jain, political analyst, Vivek Srivastav, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes this panel. Nikhil, first question to you, why should someone be made to apologize and for what?
Dinesh, it's quite interesting that the Vice President of India, the former Vice President of India, is probably in house arrest right now. He's gone completely MIA after he was removed from his post, God knows for what. And you are more concerned about what DK Shiv Kumar has done. DK Shiv Kumar
Mr. Jain,
made
if only you read the printed paper, read the papers today, you will know what the former Vice President is up to. He's playing table tennis, according to reports. So read the paper. It came this morning. Ask your friends to send you that clip. Now answer my question.
सूत्रों के हिसाब से होगा क्या प्रणेश? Will everything be reported through sources unnamed, unverified?
Where is the source here? DK Shiv Kumar is not attributing anything to source. He said, I am sorry if I offended people. Why should he say sorry and for what? That is the question. Now answer that question.
DK Shiv Kumar has made it very clear that I don't think what I did was a mistake. I made that remark in jest. But if somebody felt bad about it, I'm going to apologize for it. And it wasn't the Gandhi family, it wasn't Rahul Gandhi, it was BK Hariprasad, a very tall leader from Congress, who raised an objection to it. Mr. Shiv Kumar has come out like.
So what is the objection about? Would you tell me what is this objection about? What do you think of the objection? Or forget that comment. Is the objection right?
I'll tell you what the objection. I'll tell you why there were some people objecting to the reciting of the first stanza or the first two lines of the RSS anthem, because RSS is an organization which for the past 100 years has tried to inflame communal passions. They're the ones who sided with the British. They're the ones who made personal remarks against Ambedkar ji, against Gandhi ji, against Nehru ji, and that is the problem. You cannot be seen as siding with that organization, and Mr. Shiv Kumar did not side with that organization. But some people thought that maybe he shouldn't have said that on the floor.
Then why should why should he apologize? And by the way, you've dropped names. You've also mentioned Ambedkar. I'll come to that. But you tell me, what is if everything is wrong about the RSS, like you said in the 100 years the RSS didn't do this, that, why has the Congress party not banned the organization? Ban kar dijiye ya kar dete.
The Congress party actually did ban. No. The Congress party actually did ban the RSS 3 times. The first time was done by Sardar Patel. Why? Because they were found probably complicit in Mahatma Gandhi's assassination. They were found harboring the first terrorist of independent India.
Where is this link to Mahatma Gandhi's assassination? Where is this link, Nikhil Jain? Ye nikal dijiye. Last time you came on the show, I asked you for one thing, you could not. Even by the end of the debate, आपको वो नहीं मिला. Order नहीं मिला आपको. आज तक वो नहीं है. There were no adverse remarks about the election commission. Nikhil Jain, no. 1 minute. Now don't run away. Nikhil, no. 1 minute. Let me ask you one simple question. सुन तो लीजिए निखिल जैन. Don't be so intolerant. Don't make me say sorry. 1 minute. I can say sorry. It's okay. सुनिए निखिल, listen to my question, please. BK Hariprasad has said that Pakistan is an enemy for BJP, maybe not for the Congress party. Now, between this comment and DK Shiv Kumar singing the RSS anthem, what is objectionable?
I'll tell you what, it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the first Prime Minister from the BJP fold, who started the Aman Ki Asha initiative, who made it clear to the world that we don't have a problem with the people of Pakistan, we have a problem with the establishment of Pakistan. We have a problem with the army generals of Pakistan.
Will you say sorry for invoking Atal Bihari Vajpayee? Where did he come from? Was he not from the RSS? वो कहां से थे? Was he a Republican?
So, what is the point?
Why are you citing Atal Bihari Vajpayee to now run away? You answer the question. DK Shiv Kumar singing RSS anthem is a problem. But to answer this question, you will use examples of what Atal Bihari Vajpayee said. You are exposing yourself, Nikhil. Don't blame the anchor. विवेक श्रीवास्तव को लग रहा है आज मेरा नंबर आएगा कि नहीं. आपका भी आएगा सर, आएगा भी आपका. प्रोफेसर पाशा, आरएसएस एंथम के लिए सॉरी बोल रहे सर, क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसमें बताइए.
पटेल जी, Good evening. I don't consider it a big issue. I don't know why it is being blown out of proportion. D.K. Shiv Kumar, he didn't recite the whole prayer, the whole anthem. He just recited one stanza. And there is nothing wrong in this stanza.
सर
It is,
होल एंथम में तो उनको जेल हो जाती, ये तो एक स्टैंजा में उनको सॉरी बोलना पड़ रहा है.
I'm telling you, just reciting this stanza doesn't mean that he believes in the ideology of RSS. I consider it, look, I say namaste, as we have tradition in India, there is diverse, we have live in a diverse society, so many things we do, that is not objectionable at all, and we should do that because RSS had its own ideology. And this stanza doesn't reflect that ideology at all. Because this is for the love for the Matribhumi, the Namaste Sada Vatsale. This is just a way to wish and praise the Matribhumi. Then there is nothing wrong in it. He might be wishing his fellow members in the assembly. This may be a way to wish them. So I consider it like that.
No, sir, but you consider it, he's also tendered an apology to, India Alliance members, not just to the Congress party. तो चलिए आपने माफ कर दिया, पता नहीं तेजस्वी जी या जो बाकी अलायंस पार्टनर्स है वो माफ करेंगे कि नहीं. लेफ्ट से भी पूछ लेते हैं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव सर, सॉरी क्यों बोलना चाहिए आरएसएस एंथम के लिए?
देखिए, उन्होंने ही सेड इट इन अ सरकास्टिक वे, नो डाउट, लेकिन द वे इट वाज प्रेजेंटेड इन द मीडिया एंड बाय द ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज ऑफ द कांग्रेस, इट सीम्ड कि भाई डीके शिव कुमार इज गोइंग टू जंप द गन, ही इज गोइंग टू जॉइन द बीजेपी. अरे देखो कांग्रेस में क्या हो रहा है, आरएसएस के लोग घुसे हुए हैं. सो ही हैड टू अपोलोजाइज एंड गिव अ क्लैरिफिकेशन. ही डिड इट एंड इट इज वेलकम.
No, but why? That's the question, Vivek Srivastava. Why an apology? Even if he said it seriously, चलिए sarcasm नहीं था. अगर किसी को बोलते बोलते उन्होंने बोल दिया कि आरएसएस एंथम है, सुनो मैं बोल रहा हूं, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Why should one apologize?
For us, the RSS is untouchable. Anything to do with the RSS, it's not done. It's a divisive communal organization, and we would not like to have anything to do with their ideological differences.
Untouchable. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, untouchable, really? अभी देखिए, अभी आप टच मी नॉट हो जाएगा आपके साथ. ये बताइए, रेवंत रेड्डी कहां से आए थे?
मेरी बात सुनिए.
रेवंत रेड्डी कहां से आए थे? कौन से पार्टी से थे वो? वॉज ही पार्ट ऑफ द सीपीआई, सीपीएम?
के कैडर को कहते हैं कि
बीजेपी आरएसएस से थे. You are not just touching Revant Reddy, you are hugging him because you see he has won you power in a state.
Anybody who is in RSS, please leave the RSS, condemn the ideology, and come and join the secular forces. All are welcome. Follow the constitution, follow Ambedkar. We are not against anyone as humans, but we are against
Ambedkar. Again Ambedkar. Nikhil Jain also spoke about Dr. Ambedkar. आपको पता है सर, अंबेडकर का कंपैरिजन किसने किया कांग्रेस पार्टी ने? उदित राज, डॉक्टर उदित राज. ही सेड राहुल गांधी इज द सेकेंड अंबेडकर. इसमें किसी को ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं हुआ? वॉज ही मेड टू से सॉरी? वेयर वॉज द कॉल फॉर एन अपॉलॉजी देन?
पसंद करते हैं. आप जब शुरू करते हैं डिबेट तो आपका पैकेज नॉर्मल एंकर से ज्यादा लंबा होता है, और अभी आप ज्यादा बोलते हैं और गेस्ट आपके कम बोलते हैं.
मैं नॉर्मल एंकर नहीं हूं सर, आप बताइए ना, डील विथ इट.
बच्चन है न्यूज इंडस्ट्री के, मैं तो आपको अमिताभ बच्चन मानता हूं, वो अलग बात है, बट प्लीज गिव मी 30 सेकंड्स टू स्पीक. वी आर वेरी क्लियर. आपने पूछा मिसिंग लिंक क्या है निखिल जैन से, मैं बता देता हूं मिसिंग लिंक क्या है. मिसिंग लिंक है साध्वी प्रज्ञा, वो मेंबर पार्लियामेंट who says, who endorsed Godse, and the sitting prime minister who is from the Sangh did not dismiss her. This is the missing link.
Prime Minister admonished Sadhvi Pragya, and Sadhvi Pragya was branded a terrorist by Rahul Gandhi even before the court order. Vivek Srivastava, who should have apologized? Who should have apologized? आप भूल जाते हैं. Ajay Alok, the opposition says everything is bad about the RSS. RSS should be banned.
I just have a single question. Do even all these three, man, I have heard RJD spokesperson, he at least understands the anthem, but does Vivek Srivastava or Nikhil understand what the RSS anthem is about? I think every Indian should recite it and sing it. Namaste Sada Vatsale, Matribhume, Hindu Bhume, Tvaya. What does this mean? What you are worshipping? What are you worshipping? You are worshipping your own motherland. And you have a problem with that? That this is communal. Which land you want to worship? China? Or Italy? Anything concerning this country, anything betterment of this country, anything feeling so strong about this country, why you guys are opposed it? नफरत क्यों है हिंदुस्तान से भाई? हम कहते हैं कि हे मातृभूमि हम तुमको प्रणाम करते हैं, तुमने हमें सुख से रहना सिखाया। हे मातृभूमि हम तुम्हें प्रणाम करते हैं कि तुमने हमें शक्ति दी कि हम किसी के आगे झुके नहीं। कि हे मातृभूमि हम तुम्हें प्रणाम करते हैं कि हम किसी के आगे झुकेंगे नहीं और हम इस हिंदू धरती के वीर तुम्हारी सेवा में हमेशा लगे रहेंगे। तो इसमें क्या आपको दर्द है? You guys don't consider yourself even as a Hindu or Indian? You consider yourself as an imported stuff from China or Italy? What rubbish and degrading thought you have. कोई अगर राष्ट्र प्रेम की बात कर दे, राष्ट्रवाद की बात कर दे, मातृभूमि की बात कर दे, एनाफाइलैक्टिक शॉक लगता है आप लोग को?
नहीं, वो बोलेंगे कि राष्ट्र प्रेम की आप बात तो करते हैं पर आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन कुछ नहीं है। वो अगला सवाल वही होगा।
अरे हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है? इस देश के देशवासियों का कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है? मैं 100 बार कह चुका हूं। गाय के चाहने से कसाई नहीं मरती है। Cow doesn't get killed if the butcher desires it. So keep on desiring that fact.
Okay.
Till the time India is there, RSS is going to be there.
Ratan
And
Chadha,
all nationalists I'm saying, not Chinese and Italian, all nationalists, irrespective of their religion, will love their motherland and will
Okay.
pray their motherland.